때는 노키스야 아침이 많아져 시대 거의 높으라 그라모.
I am in the car right now starting the vlog, but happy fall. It is officially fall season, which I'm so excited about. I hope you can hear me because I'm parked and there's cars driving by me. I'm parked outside of a cafe right now. I'm gonna meet up with my friend at 10, but I got here a little early. But I've never been to this cafe before, so it's gonna be my first time. I'm super excited. Okay, many things. It's been hours later. I straightened my hair. I did my laundry, which you saw, I vlogged. I edited my video and then I watched Modern Family. Now it is currently 4:30-ish and I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna be sleeping over at my friend's place today, which I'm super excited for, and we're gonna make Halloween shaped pizzas, which I'm also excited for that. But I have to pack my bag since I'm gonna be staying the night at her place, so let's do that together. I made a list of things I have to bring so I don't forget, but let's pack my bag. My makeup bag, face wash, headband, hair straightener, hairbrush, my eyeshadow palette, and then my wiping off makeup thing because it won't fit in my makeup bag. I'll bring my tripod for fun. We are going tailgating the next day, so my tailgating outfit. Okay, so I have my bag all set and I'm gonna leave the house now. And then also for the back of my hair, I don't know if you can see it, but I put on this little bow and it's from Fruits Basket. My sister got it for me for like a Christmas gift a couple years ago. I'm gonna head on over and make pizzas with my friend and have a fun sleepover, and I'll record some of it. So let's go. Oh, Marielle, your boots are in my car, by the way. I should give them to you. I'm with Stephanie.
Hi, we're gonna make pizza. Should we just do it? What the heck?
Don't you notice how hard I'm trying when there's no one else around? Me and you, an awkward silence. I keep sneaking little looks your way. One day I'll be brave enough to look at you and say, oh, the burning pain. You're so perfect, you, oh how.
One thing, I did cut my hair myself a couple days ago. I don't know if you can even tell. I don't remember how long my hair actually was, like maybe up to here. I did cut it because I had lots of split ends, but I cut it myself, so I actually didn't realize how short I cut it. I have been craving fruit for the longest time. For the past 2 weeks, I've been craving fruit, so I'm gonna go to the grocery store and get myself some fruit. Yay, quick haul time. I got strawberry frosted Pop-Tarts, got a fruit yogurt parfait, gum, and then a fruit bowl. All right, I will see you at home. Oh my god, that was so scary. I did change my shirt. I'm a part of the campus committee on UCF, and we have a tabling event today. We have to wear our member shirts. I have my tabling event from 2 to 5, and then 5:30 to 8 I have one of my club meetings, and then from 8 all the way until 12:30 or 1 a.m. I have my FOB dance practice.